Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again, Matt, or tech on site of tipidpc.com. I'll show you a quick unboxing video of Thermaltake Poseidon C mechanical keyboard. So let's get right into it. So this is the box of the Thermaltake Poseidon C. From the box itself, it's just simply plain and simple. And this is the brown switch edition. The Thermaltake Poseidon C has the other version, which is the blue switch edition, but this one is the one with the part number KBPIC KBBLUS-01. So it's an illuminated brown switch mechanical keyboard, and Thermaltake boasts a 5-year warranty for this keyboard. So that means they're very confident about its durability. This is a full backlit keyboard with the lit is blue, and at the back, from the back of its this mechanical keyboard, so it says there that there's a key to disable Windows key for gaming, and this is very durable because its expectancy is up to 50 million keystrokes. So they're boasting that its keys are very durable. It has a backlight system with 4 illumination keyboards, and it has an N key rollover support. Okay, it has this is a full keyboard. Its function key serves as keys for controlling multimedia. You can also adjust the backlit keys between 4 levels of brightness using function key in F11 and F12. This is USB and compatible with XP, Vista, Win 7, and Win 8. And it's a full mechanical gaming keyboard. Alright, so let me try to unbox this keyboard. Alright, after taking out the bubble wrap, this is the one out of the box. It has a warranty documents. It has the Poseidon C instructional manual. So, but basically, this is just simply plug and play, and this is the actual keyboard itself. From the looks of it, it's again, it's just plain and simple. It's mechanical. You can hear the sound as compared to the membrane type of keyboard, wherein it's normally silent. Its function keys can control the multimedia. It has like forward, play, pause, stop. You can also control the sound. You can increase and decrease the volume, and so this is the actual keys itself. You can control the brightness of the keys by pressing function key and then F1 and F12, and so there you go. You can dim, or you can turn off totally the backlit. So this is a full keyboard. It has numeric keys, and you can disable the Windows button for gaming purposes, as you can't hear the sound, but since it's a mechanical keyboard, it has a the typical mechanical keyboard. It's not silent. It's intended for gaming. At the back, this is the one that you can see. It has a rubber, and there's a cable organizing system there. So basically that's it. It's me again, Matt, or Tech on Site. This is the Thermaltake Poseidon C. You can visit its website at www.ttesports.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get updates on videos that I'm regularly uploading every week. Thank you. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again, Matt, or Tech on Site. I'm an online seller of computer parts and accessories at www.tipidpc.com. You can look for my items by searching my username, Tech on Site, and this is my YouTube channel. I do unboxing videos and tech reviews, so don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so you can get updates on videos I'm regularly uploading every week. See ya!